Hi, hello, this is your lucky sir. I am back with June 29th paper. We are in JE main series, almost last day, June 29th, 2022. Shift 1, memory based. This is from an academy. Thank you, sirs. So, the questions are very simple here. First, sugar moiety of DNA is DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Very simple question. If this is the right one as it is given, then as I always say, biomolecules, chemistry in everyday life, polymers, if these kind of questions are coming, you are very lucky. Taj Mahal is polluted because of sulfuric acid, because sulfuric acid causes acid rain. Again, this is your 7th, 8th class question. Which material is elastic and regains its shape? Means it must be elastomer, and that elastomer is bunion. Memory, polymers memory. In metallurgy, which of the following salt is not used? Okay, now cyanide salt is not used, and that is actually copper. We generally use a cyanamide process for iron and gold. In that last step, we use zinc for extraction. Copper is nowhere related. So this is your answer, copper. Arrange the following in the increasing order of their covalent character. Simple question. Covalent character means small size. Cesium is biggest in size, then rubidium, then sodium, lithium. Lithium is small size, so more covalent. Small size, more covalent. Simple question. Which of the following has asymmetric carbon? If this is the right question asked as it is, you people are really lucky if you have attempted this paper. See here, this is chiral carbon. Because here you can see this is methyl group, this is NH2 group, this is this one, and one more hydrogen will be there. So chiral, easiest one. So like you can say this question is from GOC. Which of the following amino acids contain sulfur? Completely memory benda. Memory. If you don't remember this one, don't worry. I just try to remember. It is cysteine. Cysteine as well as methionine. Both they contain sulfur. Memory based. The electron configuration of element atomic number 78 is, this is platinum. Platinum is very special. Actually, nickel, palladium, platinum. Nickel 4s2 3d8. It is 5s0 4d10. Interestingly, it is 6s1 5d9. Very special electronic configurations you need to remember. So here platinum is asked 6s1 5d9. Very special. Find the lowest wavelength of incident radiation required for photoelectric effect among the following elements. Okay, now obviously lithium, because cesium, rubidium, sodium are having lower ionization potentials, higher ionization potential, lowest wavelength means highest energy. E is equal to Hc by lambda. Lower wavelength means more energy means that is lithium. Here you can see A and B are respectively first. You are using bromine, so bromine will come at these three places. A repeated question nowadays in all the papers. And this is NHCOCS you are making. That means you are arresting the group, so you will be getting bromine at one place. When you are using dilute HCl, it comes back to original position. So this is the right option. 2,4,6 tribromo. 11th question. Which sugar present DNA RNA? I don't think so. So many questions will come. Maybe students get confused and giving these questions. I don't think so. This question may present. First and this question both from biomolecules. 2 questions from biomolecules not possible. Maybe students confused. And this is DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, RNA, ribonucleic acid. Any one of these questions are present. Either first or this. Both questions impossible. If it is, then just smile and leave. Okay. Phenol is weaker acid than acetic acid. True, because phenol is just an alcohol type. Acid is an acid. But phenol is weaker acid than alcohol is wrong statement. Phenol is better acid than alcohol as well as water. So statement 1 is right, statement 2 is wrong. For 1 mole of gas, A by B will be dimensionally equal. This is a very good question actually. Simple question. Based on A and B units. Actually, A units will be atmol liter square per mole square. B units will be liter per mole. These A and B are van der Waals constants. Now A by B, if you are taking, you are getting their atma liter per mole. For 1 mole it is atma liter. Atma means P, liter means V, so this is nothing but PV. I say this is a very good question. Simple, but most of the students generally skip such kind of question. Coming to this, 0.1 mHCl, Cl. Okay, in these two cases, we have common ion. Okay, common ion is not a good factor. So the solubility is going to be minimum. Deionized water, no use of this. And this one, you see, Ag complex is formed. Silver ammonium complex is formed. That's why it is more soluble in this. Correct answer. Okay. 14, we came to 15. Photoelectric emission happens when incident energy is less than that of work function. No. Photoelectric emission takes place only when incident energy is more than the work function, not less. It should be more. So statement 1 is incorrect. Kinetic energy becomes 0 when incident radiation exactly becomes equal to function. So this is right statement. You know about photoelectric effect now? E is equals to W plus Ke. If what the energy you are giving is exactly equal to work function, kinetic energy will be 0. That is the statement. Coming to this, match the elements. Cesium is for photoelectric cells. Gallium is for high temperature thermometers. Boron is bulletproof vest. Silicon is for water proofing. Direct memory. Magnate ion disproportionate in neutral medium. Magnate ion changes to MnO2 and MnO4 minus. And the question is asking, by oxidation of manganate. This compound is formed where the oxidation state is +7. +7 means there are no electrons, no unpaired electrons, so the value will become 0. Good question. I appreciate this one. This is a good question. Consider the following reaction. C6H12O6 with zymase forms ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. It gives you HCOONA plus ammonia. So 1 carbon is present here. The number of carbon atoms in B is, that is 111. This reaction is iodoform reaction. Fe2O3 plus 3CO gives us to 2Fe plus 3O2. They won't give you this equation. You need to write this equation. Just only this matter may be have given. Okay, very simple. Fe2O3 means the molecular mass, if you see 56 into 2 plus 3 oxygen, that will be 160 grams. Requires 3 moles of 3 moles CO is required. And given to you is 4640 grams. So how many moles are required? 4640 into 3 by 160. Okay, so you can calculate how many moles of this is required. And by calculating this, you can identify that the number of moles required are more than 90. Okay, now when more than 90, less than 90. Okay, when less than 90 moles are required, give me 1 second time. I will calculate and tell you how much it is. This is my mobile. 1 second. Okay. 4640 into 3 divided by 160. It's 87, man. Okay, so 87 is required. And how much you are given? We have supplied here 90 moles are supplied. So CO is excess. So Fe2O3 is the limiting reagent. Fe2O3 means 160 grams gives 2Fe. 2Fe means 56 plus 56, 112 grams. So 4640 gives how much? My classification of question, easy. Definitely easy only, but only thing is you need to find out limiting reagent concept. I have given one video, limiting reagent concept with chocolate concept. You once check. Given activation energy for a chemical reaction is 32566. You see here we mentioned 23566. So don't worry about the values. Just see what type of question it is. Okay, now Arrhenius equation, Clausius Kaplan equation, all that you can say. log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by, this is EA not EQ, EA by 2.303 R T2 minus T1 by T1 T2. By applying this, you can directly get this question from chemical kinetics. Okay. The minimum value of radius ratio of tetrahedral void is, for tetrahedral void is, the minimum radius ratio will be 0.225. Maximum is 0.414, minimum 0.225. A type of memory, okay ना, solid state memory based question. चलेगा, कभी कभी ऐसे पूछते हैं. On reaction of white phosphorus with alkali. With alkali, white phosphorus means P4 plus 3NaOH plus 3H2O gives us to PS3 plus 3NaH2PO2. This is salt of, this is wrong, hypophosphorus acid. Hypophosphorus acid, another name is phosphenic acid. Here is a mistake, it's a phosphenic acid. Phosphenic acid. Okay, so the answer is phosphenic acid, B option. Coming to the, find the molar mass of ideal gas at 100 millimeters of pressure. So molar mass is asking means PV is equals to weight by molecular weight RT. So molecular weight is equal to WRT by PV. Just substitute, you will be getting the answer. Very, very simple. 100 millimeters, so 100 by 760 atmospheres. Volume is given. Density is given here. So density is given. You can directly use this. V is equals to W by molecular weight into RT. Rp is equal to W by V RT by M. This is nothing but density. P is equal to dRT by M. Okay, so pressure is equals to dRT by M. What is asking here? Molar mass. So molar mass is this one. So molar mass is equal to dRT by P. dRT by P. So the answer is 146. Thank you all. Hope these questions are over. 23 only. In that also some. So last day, na? Maybe students got bored and not at all much interested now. But 25 days time is there. 25 days time is very good time actually. Now you start preparing for second shift. Even though you are very confident of 200 plus marks, then also you write the second one. So start preparing now. Check all these kind of questions. In a couple of days or in 1 week of time, if you are getting these complete papers, we'll discuss the complete papers also once. Okay, now like these, we'll discuss all those questions. So don't miss any of this. Signing off, Lucky Sir.